So lads, welcome back to the Chris Angler channel. Today we're fishing here at Inch. I'm doing the intro after because as usual I forgot to do it. It's a great video. Make sure you stay till the end. It's great. A great video and one great fish in it anyway. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. First trip out the ocean since I finished school. This guy took 2 size 4 Camazan hooks. Look at them. They must be in about there. Like, I don't know how he took them, but I didn't think it was a fish. I felt like a little tap, but I doubt. I said I doubt this is a fish. So I'm gonna have to say I'm gonna have to get the disgorger and get the 2 hooks out. So lads, can you spot the fish? Right here, look how camouflaged they get. Lovely flounder. Well, lovely, small. And I changed the hooks now, they're a bit smaller. He took on a big ball of maddies, so I put 5 or 6 maddies on there anyway, so I'll unhook him and put him back. I said I was going to mess around. I was doing such a fast retrieve, I don't think a tuna could even catch up with it. All I kind of feel on my rod is it just stops. I'm like, oh, I'm in a snag. It starts taking line, and look how he took. He took a Savage Gear pencil. He must be about 5 or 6 pounds.
Well done.
Lads, on the rod, that was one from the Angling Hub Species Hunt Glide Walker, what it's made for. We're going to measure him, and I'd say we're going to keep him because he make it inside and he swallowed that lure. Down with the measuring mat. We're going to give him a measure. He's about 5 or 6 pounds anyway, if not more. Lads, watch the rod if that point. Right. We try and hook him. I'm harvesting this guy. Anyway, guys, so what a fish, lads. I'm just there, cast it in front of me. I know you're supposed to cast to the side of you, but I said I'll cast in front of me. I'm just doing a retrieve like that, shaking my rod, and I'm like, oh, I'm in a weed. And bang, he runs. He'll make
56
to the tip of the tail, and to the V you'll make about 53. 53. And he weighs about 5 or 6 pounds anyway. What do you think? If not more.
Maybe about 4 pounds.
4, you think?
So yeah.
We will wait him at home.
Yeah, we'll weigh him at home. What a fish, lads.
Well done again.
Right. So lads, tiny little flounder here. I'm still shaking from the bass. He was huge. I'm gonna unhook this guy and release him. Guys, one thing I just want to say about the bass regulations. Through January to December, you're not allowed to keep. Are you? No. Anyway, about the bass regulations, they'll be up onto the screen now. I know that now I can take 2 over 42 centimeters, so they're going to be up now. Yeah. So hi guys, that was our video here at Inch Beach. We caught a couple of small flounder. My dad had a nice flounder, and Ken had a couple of nice flounder as well. I got the huge bass, 56 centimeters. Very windy now. I caught him spinning. Just cast it in front of me, really fast retrieve. I mean, really fast. And all I felt just bang, bang, and he just went like. He pulled drag. It was a great fight, but sadly we couldn't get it on camera because I was all the way down there and my dad was all the way up here. But anyway, you saw the fish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The summer's my summer is starting now, so hopefully there'll be a couple of good videos out in the next coming weeks. So yeah.